DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new episode. If you're new here and if you love Funko Pop, make sure to subscribe right now. I did a huge haul of a lot of my Christmas gifts that I got as far as with Funko Pop. I'll definitely try to put a pop-up somewhere on the screen or at the end of the video so you can watch it, because it was a lot of fun to show you guys all of the new Funko Pop that I got for Christmas. But this was one that came late in the mail, and this was a gift from my wife. This is the Spastik Plastik T-Bone, and I love this one right here because it has him, I'll show you in a second. It has him holding an actual steak. Man, this is just a ridiculous Funko Pop. You know, having an actual cow holding, looks to be a nice cut of meat right there, is definitely a little outrageous. T-Bone is his name. Let's take him out of the box. And there he is out of the box. I definitely plan to do like a display with some of the ad icons and some of these in the kitchen. I just think it'll be a fun little thing to have displayed. I just don't know where exactly to display them. Where I want it to look cool, so I probably may like put a little shelf somewhere and have like 3 of these Funko Pops. Maybe like the Pillsbury Doughboy, this dude, and the pig that's holding like a cleaver, and he has like a ham in his hand. So that's definitely what I plan on doing. There is a side profile of him. There's a look at his back, and there's a look at his other side. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button for that out of the box look. I know not everyone likes taking them out of the box. We do here though, so definitely do so. Thanks for tuning in. Leave in the comments below what you are looking for. Maybe I can help you out, maybe someone else could help you out, and let me know your favorite Funko Pops to release in 2018. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll try to come back with a new video tomorrow. We out.